Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is FDW6FT Room Divider. Flexible panel and easy to storage room divider is made up of 4 panels of the same size, which can move the shape of your space or block the part of your room as needed. Completely folded up for storage. Room divider screen with 4-panel room divider. All our screen dividers are manufactured by workers, 100% quality assurance, to bring you a more perfect experience. 4-panel room divider wooden screen room divider. This room screen divider is flexible and convenient for all kinds of scenes. You can put our screen divider to divide the leisure area, restaurant, dressing room and your living room. Panel room divider wooden screen folding privacy screens. The size of our room divider is designed according to the height of most people. It can meet the needs of most people in the process of using the wood screen. Our second best room divider is FDW 4-panel wood room divider. This room divider is made up of 4 identical panels that can be moved or blocked to change the shape of your space as needed. Folded up completely for storage. To provide you with a more perfect experience, all of our screen dividers are manufactured by workers with 100% quality assurance. This room screen divider is versatile and useful for a variety of settings. You can use it to divide the leisure area, restaurant, dressing room, and living room. Our room divider is sized to accommodate the average person's height. It can meet the needs of the majority of people when using the wood screen. Third pick in our list is JoStyle 6-feet room divider. The room divider are handmade by professional workers, using the high quality of natural fiber as raw material. The product is environment friendly, which is clean, without smell and non-toxic. Our room divider fits for baby room as well. The solid wood frame for 6-panel folding privacy room divider screens, increasing the stability and practicability of the room divider screens. Each panel also has a beautiful diamond design with an elegant arched wooden frame on the top. Bring a warm atmosphere into your home with this lovely 4-panel room divider. Freestanding room divider with high-quality stainless steel hinges which ensure safety of room divider and extend the life of the room divider screens. Extra wide, 78.8 inches width in total, 6 ft tall by 19.7 inches wide each panel. Our 4-panel room dividers provide more privacy for a living room, bedroom, or shared apartment and avoid some embarrassment of life. JoStyle room divider is perfectly designed to divide the room into different areas and create a private space, and add more decorating options to your space. Woven fiber room divider is lightweight and completely foldable, so it's easy to store without taking up much space. Meanwhile, it is flexible. You can adjust the room divider screen position or shape at any time according to actual needs. Number 4 in our side is Sorbus 6-feet room divider. This partition style screen divides your room for privacy or simply to display as a decorative accent. Suitable for dressing privacy, porch privacy, privacy from neighbors on patio, covers windows, blocks off unsightly items, divides sleeping areas for guests. Ideal sunscreen, home decor, partition furniture, decor screen panels, patient divider for clinics, makes room distinctions without real walls, adds intrigue and defines space in studio apartment, living room, bedroom, kids room, sunroom, laundry area, backyard patio, and more, complements bohemian, modern, traditional, rustic farmhouse styles. No assembly required. 2-way hinges allow for folding in either direction and provides arrangement flexibility. Simply slide the 2 shelves into the divider and expand to the length of your preference. Lightweight and easy to move, folds close for storage when not in use. Stylish woven pattern made of poplar wood frame with PP woven straps, double hinged for versatility and folding. Protect from outdoor elements, each panel approximately. Number 5 in our top 5 best room divider list is GLS Land 8-panel wood room divider. For nice looking and designed to look equally attractive from front or back. Double hinges are strong and convenient for you to put it in 2 directions free and easily. The whole screen consists of 4 louver design panels with both sides of the screen are almost indistinguishable from each other, which means you can always see the front of the screen. Instead of fabric, the wood material provides better privacy protection. Variety of colors are available for your choice. built with natural paulownia wood, which has the characteristics of moisture absorption, good air permeability, not easy deformation, and wear resisting for years to come. Coated with water-based paint, it's still environmental protection and looks more beautiful. Hinged together properly by premium 6 inches, the 4 panels are able to create a wall that blocks the view without any gap. The screen to fold up when not in use, thereby saving space. Wood material design room dividers, 5.6 feet tall, meets most people's requirements, and is enough to create or cut off a larger private space. There are 4 panels of this room divider and each panel features a width of 16 inches. It is made up of 38 pieces of polished wood chips, which can fully ensure the privacy of the divided area. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.